Yes, welcome to my video. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you how to start a YouTube channel on your smartphone. A lot of people have been asking questions about whether you can actually create and start a YouTube channel on smartphone, and that's why I decided to make this video. So if you are one of those who have been thinking about that, then this is a video you should watch to the end, because I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to create your YouTube channel, how to start your YouTube channel from your smartphone. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajiimam Isioto, and on this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you to make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, before we go straight into the video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. It is very important so that you can always see when I post new videos. All right, and just in case you want to join a family, a community where you can be hearing tips and information about how to make money online, I'm going to drop a link in the description section. Okay, so do well to check it. I'm going to also pin it in the comment section, so check for all those things so that you can get access to my community. Okay, so having said that, let's go straight into this video. Let me show you how to start your YouTube channel with your smartphone. So to start your YouTube channel with your smartphone, you are going to need some applications, and then you're going to need some other assets. Okay, some important things you are going to need. First of all, the first thing you're going to need is your video, because you want to upload a video on YouTube channel. You want to be uploading videos on your YouTube channel. So the first thing you need is your YouTube channel. You also need your email that is working. Okay, you need your email that is working. I believe if you're watching this video right now, you should have a Gmail account. All right, you should have a Gmail account. Very important. Also, we're going to need YouTube app and YouTube Studio app. Also, you're going to need your YouTube app and YouTube Studio app. These apps are important when it comes to doing stuffs on YouTube. Okay, very, very important. So you are also going to need a YouTube channel art. All right, if you don't know how to create YouTube channel art, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link to another video that I created about how to create YouTube channel art. Also, I'm going to drop a link to where you can get a video to how to create YouTube video thumbnails. All right, you need to know how to create thumbnails because you need a thumbnail for your videos. All right, so these are basically the things that we are going to need when we are starting our YouTube channel. Okay, so to get your YouTube app, this is YouTube app. Let me show you. This right here is YouTube app. All right, now let me show you YouTube Studio app. This right here is YouTube Studio app. All right, so if you don't have it, you just go to your Google Play Store, which is here. Let me show you. Come to Google Play Store and come to this search area here and type YouTube Studio app. Are you seeing it now? YouTube Studio. Can you see here? Now mine is showing me update because I already have it installed in my phone. In your own case, yours is going to be showing you install. That is, if you have not installed it before, it will be showing you install. So you click on install. But for my case, I'm not going to install because I have it already. Okay, so make sure you install it to your phone properly. Then for the YouTube app, this one that you see is going to come with your phone. Most times it comes with Android phones already. Okay, so check for it. If it's not there, you go to YouTube, you go to your Google Play Store and download it. All right, then for the channel art, go to the link in the description and check for it. For the thumbnail, to learn how to create thumbnails, go to the link in the description and check for all those things. You're going to find them there. Okay, so now let's imagine that you already have your YouTube app here. So what are you going to do? You're going to open it. All right, you're going to open it and come to this place. You're going to make sure that you are seeing this plus sign that is down here. All right, make sure you are seeing this plus sign that is down here because that's what we need. So we are going to click on it. Remember I told you that you should already have a video, the first video you want to upload. Okay, now before I go into this, now let me just give you a little tip that you need to keep in mind when you are starting a YouTube channel. When you're starting a YouTube channel, you must make sure that you already have an idea of the kinds of videos you want to be doing, the kind of niche. You need to think about it. Do you want to be creating faceless videos, or do you want to be creating face videos? If you want to be creating face videos, it means that you'll be shooting videos that shows people's face, all right, or showing your face. If you want to be posting or sharing faceless videos, it means that you have to be doing faceless videos like what you are seeing now. You don't need to see my face, or your audience don't need to see your face, but you are giving value. That's the core of what we are doing here. You are giving value, because you don't want to just be, you don't want to waste people's time online. You want to give value, because this YouTube channel you are seeing, you can make a lot of money from it if your content is very, very valuable. You can reach people in the US, you can reach people in Kenya, you can reach people in different parts of the world. I've gotten paid from this YouTube even before monetization. Are you getting it now? So you are not joking with it. This is a business. All right. If you stay consistent for 30 days, for 60 days, for 90 days, you're going to start seeing results. Are you getting now? So now, that said, let's click on this plus. You click on the plus as if you want to upload a video. You click on the plus and it will take us to the videos that we have on smartphone already. Are you seeing it now? So we pick a video. If you pick any of these videos that have 0.21, they are very, very short video. All right. So you can come here and click on short. If you click on short, it will mean that you want to shoot the video directly into YouTube, but we are not using that. So what we are doing is we are just uploading a video. So I'll just pick one video to upload here. So let's just pick this one. If you're one of those, good. So to upload, what we are going to do here is to click on next. You click on next, and then we are going to title the video. Let's just title the video promoting your affiliate link. Let's just say we are doing a video about make money online. So we title it. Now, very importantly, make sure that your title is a title that is very catchy, very attention grabbing. Why am I saying so? When you come onto YouTube, let's imagine that you are the one searching for information. You want to search for information according to the way it is in your mind. For instance, how to make money online as a student in Nigeria, specific topics. For instance, how to lose weight without going to the gym, specific topics. How to make money online in Nigeria from affiliate marketing. These are specific topics. Are you getting now? So whatever title you are creating for your video, you must make sure that it is a searchable title, because that's what is going to make your video to rank. Are you getting now? Because when it comes to videos ranking, when it comes to getting more subscribers, when it comes to getting more views, people are going to watch videos or click on videos that are, connected to what they want exactly. I hope I'm not wasting your time here. So listen carefully, because you need to get all of these things before you get your success on your YouTube channel. All right? Because I believe you don't want to be making videos just because you want to make video. No, you want to make money from your videos. You want YouTube to pay you. You want people to find you through your videos. Are you getting now? So your title must be searchable title. So what we'll do here now, we are using a capital letter. I recommend that you use capital letter. Promoting your affiliate links. Are you seeing this now? Good. So we are going to say upload. You click on upload. It's going to upload it. Can you see it's uploading already? Can you see? It's already uploading. Now, once this is fully uploaded on YouTube, voila, you already have a YouTube channel. Very, very simple. Once this has been fully uploaded on YouTube, you already have a channel. So, but that's not all. That's not all, because just uploading on YouTube doesn't mean anything. You have to make sure that it is good. You have to make sure that it is very well organized. You don't just want to upload videos on YouTube and just leave it like that. No, that is where we now need our YouTube Studio app. Are you getting now? The video has been fully uploaded, so we are going to head straight to YouTube Studio app and do some amendments on our video so that our video can be well presented on YouTube. Are you getting it now? It's just like opening a shop. You want to start a business and you just open a shop. You get a shop, a shop location. That doesn't mean you have a shop. That doesn't mean the business has fully started. Are you getting now? You are just in the process. When you have a shop, you have to start setting up things inside the shop. Are you getting now? That's the same scenario with having your YouTube channel. Are you getting now? So let's go straight to YouTube Studio app. Let's go straight to YouTube Studio app. We come here to the YouTube Studio app here. We click on it. All right, we click on it and we are going straight to that video. Okay, in your own case, you might not be seeing all of these things. Can you see 9 minutes left? It's still uploading. In your own case, you might not be seeing all of these things you are seeing here. You won't see all of these things. Are you getting it now? Your own will be fresh. Nothing will be there. Now, look at this. Look at this carefully. It has fully uploaded. But if you notice, there's a padlock. Something here looks like a padlock. If you look at this second video now that says 3 ways to make money on YouTube, you can see something like a word, something like a word. That shows that it has been published publicly. But this padlock you are seeing means that it is private. I've not released it. It's just there, but I've not released it. So what we are going to do inside this YouTube Studio now is what we determine if it is public or if it has been published publicly. That's what will determine if people are going to be seeing your video or not. Are you getting this now? I believe you're learning something. If you're learning something, kindly like this video, share it, all right? Subscribe, okay? Now, we go into the video by clicking it once, and then this is the video. Can you see it now? So this is where we are now going to add our YouTube thumbnail for the video. Now, let me show you what thumbnail is. Can you see thumbnail? This picture you are seeing, that's the first cover that people are going to see for your video. That's what will make them to want to watch the video. All right. So make sure you check the link in the description for the link to the video of how to create YouTube video thumbnail. All right. Now we click on the video again, and then to edit the video now, we'll come to this pencil here that you see here. We click on it. Can you see? We click on it once. So once you click on it once, you come here now, this pencil that you see here, to add our thumbnail, we are going to click on the pencil once. So once you click on the pencil once, it will bring us here. Now, you should already have your thumbnail ready. Okay, if you have your thumbnail ready, all you need to do is to click on custom thumbnail. Once you click on custom thumbnail, it will carry you into your gallery, your phone gallery, and wherever you have the thumbnail, you just click on it and it will be uploaded here. And once it's uploaded here, you click on done. It will be done. Are you seeing now? Let me show you an example. You click on the thumbnail here, click on it here. All right, just follow me, guys. Good. Can you see thumbnail here? Can you see the one I've designed? Can you see this one? So if I just click on it now, it will be uploaded, but I don't want to do that. All right. So I will go back and then just click done. Let's just imagine it has been uploaded. I'll click on done. All right. So it will show up here. The next thing you are going to do is to add description to your video. You click on this place and add description to your video. Now, this description is very, very important because this is where you sell yourself. You can sell product from this description. You can bring people to your community from this description. You can even tell people to buy, to consult. You can do a lot of things in this description. To follow you on social media, you can do all of those things here. So you want to make sure to sell yourself very well here. All right. If you want to learn how to do descriptions properly, go to the link in the description. I will drop all of those details for you there. Now, you've done that. The next thing to do is private. Can you see visibility here? Can you see visibility here? Can you see it here? You click on visibility. Once you click on visibility, you come here and set it on public. Once you set it on public, click it on public like this, you are about to publish it live. You go back here and then click save. Once you click on save, your video will be published publicly and people can now see your videos. Are you getting it now? So this is how to create your YouTube channel with your smartphone. Now, one last thing before we go. You must make sure, let's discard this for now. You must make sure that one thing, your YouTube channel art, don't forget, we are about to talk about that. You come here and click on this place. All right. Can you see this? Can you see this pencil right here? You click on the pencil once. So once you click on the pencil once, this is where you are going to be brought to. You can see my channel art is already displaying. You can see my profile picture is already displaying. Okay, so if you have designed your channel art, what you will just do is to click on this camera that you see here. You click on it once and it will ask you to choose from your photos. If you already have it designed, all you need to do is to click on choose from photo. It will be uploaded here. Okay, now you can also edit your name here. You can edit your profile picture here. You can even put a description to it and add a link to it. And once you do all of that, it will start displaying on your YouTube channel. All right, it will start displaying up there. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about starting your YouTube channel from your smartphone. This is very easy, guys. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly click the like button, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can always get information of whenever I post new videos. Now, before I go, if you want to learn how to make money online, you want to learn how to do anything online, or you want to join my community, my Telegram community, my WhatsApp community, to get more tips about how to make money online or how to do stuffs online, all right, go to the link in the description and check for all of those details. Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.